Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to find computer space on Windows 11. So there are some easy and simple method to find out information about your computer or laptop space. First one, click on Start, Settings and click on About. So you will see all information space about your PC or laptop. And also guys, you have this menu. So this is the first way, and also guys, once you click on start and type your system information, so you will see this all information about your PC or laptop. And another way, open File Explorer. Now right click on this PC and properties. So this is the method and way guys you can find computer space on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment on this video useful for you or not.